Okay, and so I'm going to write a little problem here. Again, you can copy it down or just go through the problem. Okay, but if I give you a rectangular patio, is given as the expression 2n plus 3, and its length is given as 5n. Okay, and then if I ask you find an expression for the perimeter, and then also identify what is the perimeter if n is equal to 4 feet. All right, so looking at this type of problem, what you're going to be asked to do is to figure out a way to express a story problem in algebraic form, and then plug in the correct numbers to evaluate that form. All right, so if we look at this, often you're going to require a picture to help out. So if we have a rectangle patio, the width is 2n plus 3, and the length is 5n. Okay, what is the expression going to be for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to what? How would we find that? Perimeter of a rectangle can be found by doing what? What? Yeah, just add the sides twice. So you can either say 2 times 5n plus 2 times 2n plus 3. You could also say 5n plus 2n plus 3 all multiplied by 2. You could even just say 5n plus 2n plus 3 plus 5n plus 2n plus 3. Whichever way you do, you should reduce it down. You get 10n plus 4n plus 6 if you distribute through. And then combine your like terms. You get 14n plus 6. And so finally, what's the perimeter of this going to be? And so if you take your perimeter, 14n, and you can use n. Now, if you want to, you can stay consistent with what's written. So if I say 14n plus 6, I can leave n in my calculation, use my with key, and then just identify that n is equal to, in this case, 4. Hit enter, and I get 62.